show you how to do horchata. For the ingredients, you're gonna need rice, 2 cups of water, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, a cup of white sugar. If you have vanilla, or you can use that, or vanilla extract. And for like tools we're gonna need, for the rice, I'm gonna use a coffee blender, and I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna show you in this pan how it's gonna look like at the end in a blender, so we can put it all together for that horchata. Okay, I'm gonna grab my coffee blender, put in some rice for now because this thing is only limited. Space it out. I think that's the only thing I can handle right now. I'm gonna put it in, if I can, and just to be sure. I did not expect that. That's a new experience, I guess. I'm gonna try it another time. That's very cool. I'm gonna do this again. As you can see, pulverized. Not solid, just powder. Yeah, that's the word. You know? Here's it. For an example, this is what should it look like. As you can see, survivors. You know, it's okay. It's gonna be there every once in a while, but try to be your best and pulverize every single one of them. So yeah, we got to pulverize the rest of our rice, and yeah, you might think it looks like flour if you couldn't tell, but it's rice, which, you know, very surprised. You never. That's the one thing you can't think in life: pulverized rice. But I want to say, just in case, if you don't have like a coffee bean grinder, you could just use your regular old blender, you know. But yeah, here's the rice. I used the rest of the rice in that cup. Here's the finishing results. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is grab a small pot, put in the water. That should be a good amount. And then put in our cinnamon. Close that out.
Pepper.
Medium-low heat. As you can see, it's medium-low heat, and that should be good for now. Wait for a good few minutes. So after a good 30 minutes, your cinnamon water has been already good. I'm gonna put in the water with the rice. It's usually done when the rice is not pulverized into a bunch of small powder, but I'm gonna do it my way. And yes, do put in the cinnamon stick inside. You know, it's gonna, for the flavor, and, you know, be best for the flavor. You know, I'm gonna show you the cinnamon. You know, it's right here. In the wood? Is it wood? Whatever it is, it's in here. I'm gonna put it back in.
Yeah.
Boom. And you know, right now, right now we're gonna let it sit for the next day. We're gonna put something over, you know, so nothing else can get it. We need our beauty sleep, you know. Your boy needs sleep. Okay, now we just need to put this inside the blender. Okay, now we're gonna put the sugar in it. thinking about it now, I think we put a little bit too much. Try to not use a cup or something lower. Then we're gonna put milk. Alright, yeah, it's just this. That scared me for a second. And some few drops of vanilla extract. Yeah, I do it. A little bit too much. Yeah. I don't know.
Para que veas el color. Ya.
Well, this is not the whole thing, but this is a part of it. We're gonna first blend it, and then have some cinnamon powder, just a sprinkle it on it. That's a little bit too much.
Poquito, no, poquito.
Yeah, that's good. We're gonna put this on there for flavor and scent. It's gonna be strong because cinnamon is strong in general. So this should be your last and final step. You can also, if you want to add the cinnamon powder, you can. Okay, I'm gonna try this now without the red thing and pour it in without spilling anything. And it's working, thank God. That's good enough. Here's your Horchata. It's pronounced English Horchata, so yeah, the H is silent. Here, look at it. View the beauty. This is good for the summertime, when you feel very thirsty. It's one of those hot days. You can just make one of these. They're cold, they're good, they're refreshing. Just make one of these.